Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope everybody is in good spirit. Well, in the Sunday, my wisdom warriors, a man was fatally shot and an illegal gun reportedly seized in Seaforth, St. Thomas on Saturday during an alleged confrontation with the police. Dead is Franco Alex Campbell, a 26-year-old of Seaforth, Captureland, St. Thomas. It is reported that about 7 p.m., police operatives were on duty in the community in search of drugs, guns, and wanted persons. So when I hear my wisdom warriors, wagwan, from what wagwan, me make uno know wagwan, Differently from burial aftermath, me have to make uno know and fill uno in. Alright? Hear this. A man was killed inside his home in Naggerhead, Portmore. The police in Portmore, St. Catherine, are probing the murder of a man inside his home on Rosemary Lane in Naggerhead early Saturday morning. Dead is 51-year-old Luke Young, otherwise called Screw. It is reported that about 1 a.m. residents heard explosions and checks later reveal that the young man was shot. All right? That. Well, good news, my wisdom warriors. I posted this man this morning in one of my video them. His name is Dave Wright. He has been found. The police, the JDF, actually put this out and said he has been found. So this man is from Pilot Walk, England and Wellington Glades, Kingston 6. And he was last seen heading to the Knoxford Express in New Kingston on July the 2nd. His name is Dave Wright. So my wisdom warrior, right now, Dave Wright has been found. Dave Wright has been found, which is a good thing. But guess what now? The little kids them now be found. Me no know what go on. I'll know we not hear nothing about the kids them. The 12-year-old, the 14-year-old, the 15-year-old, the 2-year-old. We not hear nothing. The 6 young people them were gone missing from the government state care. We not hear nothing. They only come out in the paper one day and say they ain't got missing. We not hear nothing. We don't know what them there. We not see Horace Chang come out and say nothing. We not see that man. When and Kevin Blake, the new commissioner, we not hear nothing from them. They only say 6 missing and that's it. No search party, no out, nobody no out. What really are going? Why is our children going missing just like that without a trace? And we cannot find them. Jamaica, we have to really look into things like this, Because this is very serious, A people life this, A people life this. Too much young people going missing. All know none of them can't be found. None of them. All the 2-year-old was at his home. And yard in the day, the 2-year-old, Yeah, the 2-year-old was taken from his yard. Nowhere to be found. Who remember this 2-year-old baby? In 2022, he has gone missing. His name is Jamil Mendez. Who remember him? Who remember this little boy, my wisdom warriors? Nowhere to be seen. Nowhere to be seen. I'll know. A lot of kids gone missing, A lot of kids. This is why I encourage all mothers, all parents, all family members, keep an eye on the pitney. Keep an eye on the kids. Make sure say, anywhere we spot on the pitney there in the house or in the yard, make sure say, you can see them from a distance. You understand what I mean? Make sure. Because them a take with the pitney them hard. I do what I do not know. But, Lord Jesus, if me start talking at the Sunday, my wisdom warriors, there is allegations out there, There is allegation. There's reason why the pitney them are go missing, my wisdom warriors. There's allegations out there. saying organs harvesting and one bag of something and a whole heap of money depend it. You hear what go on? I hope you not hear, you know. At that go on, you know, my wisdom warriors. So this is why me I encourage all mothers, keep on the picnic close, just like on the keep on the purse or on the handbag close. Keep on the picnic close to you. Keep on the picnic close to you. And when the young girls are go out in groups, don't walk by on yourself. When the young boy are go the same thing. And I make night catch on our road. Because listen, it is alleged that organs and all type of things is selling because money depend it. Money is on it. You see what them always say? Who can hear will always feel. You have some Jamaican people, they don't listen. They don't listen. You see, all if the shop they cross the road or the shop they right up there so 30 seconds away, don't send on a picnic or no shop. When me I say picnic, don't send on a little picnic. Sometimes when I have a 7-year-old, 6-year-old, 5-year-old I send go shop because the shop just there 20 seconds away or 30 seconds away. Just put it like that. Yeah? Wanna not do that. Make sure someone can soon a picnic. Not because the child is advanced. Make sure you hear how me I want no. You hear how me I want no Jamaica. Keep on a picnic close to you like on keep on money close to you. You understand me? Remember say, on kids is on own heart. Remember, anything happen to on picnic, or go in at the pain. Government no business. Me tell you that. Government no care. So me just put this out there and make you know what go on from what go on. There is allegations out there. This is why I encourage you know. There are allegations out there. So whole heap of organ harvesting business going on. You understand? It is alleged. All right? Anyway, taking this. According to the article, following the passage of Hurricane Beryl, members of the public are reminded to be vigilant in order to prevent mosquito-borne disease such as dengue, noted the Ministry of Health and Wellness. My wisdom warriors, when me tell you 2 days ago, you remember the video when me post and me tell you say, stop walk up and down in the dirty water. Make sure say you have a water boat. You remember? Can me tell you say this is going to bring some type of disease. You remember? You remember when me I tell you? All right. Well, no, Christopher Tufton, I make everybody know. You see, I hope Christopher Tufton prepare, you know. I hope he prepare because he knows say this I go bring holy. Hey, I don't even want to talk. Me I tell you no. I don't even want to say it, my wisdom warriors. But Christopher Tufton, I hope them be prepared. I hope they're ready and make sure that they have equipment. Because I see me come out now. Why make you never say all these things before hurricane come? Why it time every minute Andrew unless I come out like him a weatherman? Why never talk all these things? Why never tell the people themselves to make sure so they get water boat? You go talk about how, but when him do film own investigation, then teach the people them how to protect themselves. So Andrew always saying teach the people them after him do film own investigation. You not teach nobody to do nothing because on the north say this a hurricane I go cause borne disease. You know that mosquito borne disease. Like dengue, including dengue. You know that? I'm not hear you mention nothing about that before hurricane. You not mention nothing about that. I say whole heap of people I walk up and down in a dirty water. Seriously. They not have no water boat. Well, Christopher Tufton I want on the front. No. Jamaica. You see, sometimes when you see blogger come out and mention things, some I wanna laugh and say, sure, what them know? But look, because we said it, me actually say it as well. Me come out and me talk about it. And me say enough stop walk up and down in the dirty water. You understand me? Because them are sitting here can bring diseases. And that me tell you no. And now Christopher Tufton come out. And you know what? It a go rough, you know. It a go rough, my wisdom warriors, because a whole heap of place, a whole heap of drain I get clean up to, you know. You didn't know that? A whole heap of drain I get clean up. Whole heap of drain I get clean up. Jano. I just want to protect yourself. That's all. Because remember, say, Christopher Tufton no buy equipment for the hospital them. Una fi remember that. And una stop a talk about how Andrew Holness get whole heap of money, because Andrew Holness nah spend that the money they and buy no equipment. That the money they are going to pocket. That the money they are going to pocket. And if Andrew Holness a give out care package, at the care package them what them a send from Miami. You think Andrew Holness a go touch that the money there? Making just be transparent with the money part. He not gonna be transparent with the money part. But I bet Uno him gonna be transparent with the food part, but not with the money part. Watch what gonna happen. Uno just watch. But me just want everybody to be vigilant, be careful, protect yourself. Wear water boat, get water boat. You understand? Protect yourself, my wisdom warriors. According to the article, a flash flood watch has been extended for low-lying and flood-prone areas across the island. That's according to the latest update from the Met Service. In its latest bulletin, the Met Service says the advisory will remain in effect until 5 this afternoon. Parishes which fall under the flash flood, which include St. Thomas, Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. James. So everybody that is watching my channel from those areas, wanna hear what the article say. This is from Nationwide. Nationwide, me get this from. There is flash flood warning and it extended until 5 o'clock. All right? So I wanna take note of that. Citizens who remain without electricity, water, and telecommunications are being urged to be patient and understanding, as total restoration of service island-wide may take weeks to complete. Only hear this a man you know, Daryl Vaz, come out and I tell people say, people who not have electricity and water and telecommunications, yeah, must have patience. Wait, me understand with the electricity. But with the water, how them a go have patient? I know me not see una go around and I give out water. Me not see una go around and I give the people them no water. So how the people them fi have patient with water and it will take weeks. So you tell me say weeks without water? The people they need water. Una need to load up the truck them and go around and give the people them water. And that una need to do. You come out and tell the people them so if you have patience. What kind of patience? Una say una prepare. Una never say una prepare. So how una have all of this ready up? From the 3rd burial come and gone. And today is the 7th. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 4 days. 4 days. Me not even talk so much my wisdom warriors about the electricity. Because them don't come out and say they not have no trained personnel. Them have to go get some people from foreign to come fix the electricity. Me get that. Yeah? But water. So when I tell the people themselves have patience and understanding, and not that we want to hear Daryl Vaz. You're out here doing the most. I talk about Mark Golding dual citizenship every blasted day. But what you for really do, you not do. You don't know nothing. So you tell me, say, my Jamaican people them, for wait for water for weeks. And I say, no, go around and I deliver water. Where you have come out and tell the people them, say, we are coming round. Or you should start going round already and I give them water. I first me ever hear this. My wisdom warriors. Them suck me in a right, you know. Them suck me in a right. You guys know that Hurricane Beryl left a trail of destruction, especially in southern parishes with blocked roadways, whole heap of fallen trees, down, utility poles and wires and damaged cell towers are also reported. The utility providers are working to restore service with some areas already back to normal. My wisdom warriors, Daryl Vaz come out and he's saying that the critical component is electricity, and the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, has emphasized that the restoration process must be done with safety in mind. Some National Water Commission NWC stations require the return of JPS power for the pumps to resume working, and this matter is being given priority attention by the JPS. This is Daryl Vaz come out and chat off him out. Yeah? But my thing is, how the people them are going to get water? And that we want to know. And una say una prepared. Una say una prepared, so the people them have to go wait weeks for water. Weeks, you know, them have to go wait for water. Remember say they can't go river, you know. Remember say they can't go river. So the people them have to go wait weeks for water and all no, me not soon go run with no truck. You see them something here? Them something here. Listen, we have to get rid of this government here. We have to get rid of them, my wisdom warriors. Well, Daryl Vaz continued to say that as citizens without service become increasingly frustrated, they are being assured that they will be kept informed of the progress of the restoration efforts. So right now, everybody when I have no water, the only thing Daryl Vaz are going to do is inform uno and update uno when the water come on. And them people here say them prepared. And uno don't know one shit. Uno don't know nothing. The only person when me see give out stuff is Shensia come out and give out grocery, including water. And she the only one. When me look, and my man, the Mrs. stand up. Oh, him name? A Flight Green? Mrs. stand up next to her. All him shouldn't share myself. Him down there, stand up and watch Shensia give out grocery. Before him go get grocery and give to the people them too. Me say them, what list? I can't stand them. And Jones administration have to go down. My people talk truth. Talk truth. Look how long Beryl gone and the people they not have food. The people they not have water. Where them a wait pan? I saw for them assessment take so long. I saw for them why Andrew Jones take so long? Why Andrew Jones take so long to bring water? You know why? Because Andrew Jones wait pan the food for arrive from Miami. He might wait pan the care pack. You stay there. You know Andrew. Andrew wait pan the care package them for arrive. Then he start dish it out. And then the whole of the billions when he collect, he share it for him and in crony them. You know who that. Amount of money them get and they can't give a count for it. Amount of money them get and can't give a count for it. So right now, the only thing Daryl Vaz are going to do, Daryl Vaz understand that una go get frustrated and they are being assured that they will be kept informed. So basically, the only thing una go get right now is just information. Just update una. That's all. No water, no food, nobody no know when food are come because them are wait for the care package for come give out and make it look like the money what them get, then use and buy food. Una stay there. Wanna stay at Jamaica. Enough, let me tell you something. A whole heap of billions them get. Everybody fi nice. Nobody in a no part of Jamaica fi complain. Nobody no fi complain again. Because they get the money. Them get the money. You understand me? Me say Vegas go around and attack and I say how PNP people I tell diaspora no fi say nothing. Listen, Andrew Holness get a lot of money. Andrew Holness can buy food. Nothing wrong if the people they want to give. Who want to give? A lot of people have family and them are go give. You understand me? But Andrew Holness have money. Where my wait pan? Where my wait pan? People want food and water right now. Today. People want bed and dresser today. People want their house stop for go back on today. So why not wait pan? When I waste of time and then walk around and talk about unprepared. Lie. Not prepared nothing. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you really think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section.